Hello and welcome to this lecture on Meraki DHCP and bridge mode. So if we start here with the requirements, as we can see, we get an IP address in the range of 10/8, and we can verify that now on the command prompt. So ipconfig, and we'll see our IP address is in the 10 range. Let's see here. Right, there it is. So we have a random IP address, and then we have the DNS and default gateway. Now we can see that it is generated by the MAC address. As it says here, the IP address is created by running the client's MAC address through a hashing algorithm. And then we have the DNS servers, a default lease time of 24 hours. So here is where we don't want to use Meraki DHCP mode. So we scroll down here, we have the roaming. So if you use NAT mode and you roam between two access points, you will have re-authentication, and that is something we want to avoid. So for example, here we can see that with NAT mode, if you want to roam to another access point, the client will re-authenticate, and that will break whatever call you are having. And also some group policy will not be applied, and of course the inbound client connections will not work, as you cannot connect to one of these clients. Now, how do we solve this problem then? We want the clients isolated, but at the same time we don't want them to have this issue of roaming. So if you go here back to my access point, we go to SSID, and then under the guest network here, as we see, we have Meraki DHCP. If we edit that, edit settings, and of course first and foremost we'll have to have a guest VLAN set up. So let's see if we have that first and foremost here. And let's see. Okay, so we have a guest VLAN, and this is the range here. Okay, so let's go back to the SSID. Edit settings. And then we go down here to the settings here, and we can pick external DHCP server. This will pick an IP address from the MX DHCP pool, and it will not use NAT mode. So that is what we're looking forward to. So VLAN tagging, we will pick a VLAN, and that is 250, our guest VLAN. Let's save that. And now if we go back to SSID, we'll see that the range is added here. There, VLAN tagged. Okay, great. But now we also want to isolate this network. We don't want the guest network to be able to reach other local networks, or the local networks to reach it. So we're gonna do that separation right here on the access point, firewall and traffic shaping. Alright, so as we see here, we have a deny statement towards the local LAN. So that's great. Now what we can do also is, so we're allowing any, that is towards the internet and anything else. So we'll keep that as is and save. Now let's go back to the SSID, and let's see. Great. Clients blocked from using LAN. And then we have all that set up. Alright, so that is how you set up a bridged network for the SSID and how to avoid disconnections when using the Meraki DHCP. I hope this video have been helpful and thank you for watching. Bye.